Where you go right?
Good active. Good active people. Definitely why a nice food there. Enjoy beautiful river. Just check in on the channel. Link to up.
Oh people, so when you're hungry and can't wait for the food no longer, you just go take a 5 and ease. Boss, I take a 5 people. Third for you on the pot.
Yes, so team outside today. I go down up on the riverside, yeah. I go up on the riverside. So you don't know anything come down. So we put them in our bag and all our ingredients and everything we need to cook up the pot. Our one jug. Our water same way. Nice up the pot and thing. So just stay tuned, my peeps. That is it. Time to take pity now. Hey. Yeah. Mother no send her no titty milk. Come on, see this whole team out. More goat there. Goat them there and thing. Yeah, active outside. My beautiful viewers and subscribers, we are out here today. We are going to cook up a pot. We are going to cook up some dumpling and saltfish. You know what I mean? Banana dumpling and saltfish. I think come down, we do it different today, yeah. That is it my side. Reach down from the riverside you know. Search for a nice spot you know which part we can active up ourselves and do the thing. Yeah. Come on. Yes, so right here, so we are deal with it. You know, lighter. Water pretty. Hold on, I check if I have lighter.
So, Eddie, I get some fire stick. I camp now. Yeah, peeps. I gotta chop up some fire stick and stuff. Oh, want to kill me, no people. Yeah. Guys, I did get some stick. Chop up and stuff for the fire. Do fire side and no people. Fire side, this is so. I get some fire stick.
So we tie up pot up here. Be things to go on with up here, man. Place the pot on the fire now, see if we can fix up the fire side and something.
Yeah, people, no stay tuned.
Right, that's how we are dealing with it. You know.
Check in on the fire side, that's right now. Yeah, right, that's how we are dealing with the pot today. Yeah, we're on the riverside, beautiful view. Whole team there, same way. Venture there, so legend. They gone out there, so can get some fire stick. The chef are forward, Sammy are forward. Dalvy just take a moment and deal with the thing same way. So the whole team there people, just stay tuned and watch how I go on. Legend I get the fire catch up, you know, hear that? Yeah peeps, so Legend I get the fire catch up, you know. He did that out there, so same way I cut up some more fire stick. Right, so we are dealing with the pot in the people.
Oh,
right,
thing,
now the fire side that's the same way, you know. Yeah. So most of the squad member then they are same way. They did it over there, so get himself active. I did some fire stick. Legend I catch the fire right, so same way. Javad and did it, so that'll be the same way. Just stay tuned and watch how I go on. Yeah people, so Legend I get the fire catch up, you know. I don't know, say I'm my fireman. I get the fire catch up and be a thing. People, so Legend I get the fire catch up. Right, that's what we are doing with the pot to the people. Him say anyway, there is smoke, there is fire. Like Legend I burn up himself, some people. So the whole team out here get themselves active. Legend did this, I catch up before I see him and break up some bramble or cring, whatever you guys call it. Put on the fire. You don't know a thing, go? Yeah. Yeah, man, the whole team there, man. Everybody watching this video right now, big up on yourself. Make sure, please, to like the video, them guys. Subscribe to your channel. Leave a comment. Everything. Yeah. Fire catch and baiting, everything active here, so man. So I go on. Show you in there, boy. Set on the pot soon and make you so I go on. So Legend I get some dirt on the pot so it's really hard to score off. So just stay tuned and watch how I go on. Them know things set, man. Hard dirt to our pot so it's really hard to score. Yeah people, so we are teaching you a thing. All who know about anything and like the video and comment if you don't know. Or what you use. You know, comment what you use, if a dirt you use, if you use ashes, fab soap, what you use. You just comment what you use. Yeah man, and big up on yourself same way. Yeah. Them I put on the pot now, them just did set up the fire side. So the fire can blaze and thing. So them set on the pot now to see if it's stable and thing. Yeah man. Just watch how I go on. Yeah people, so Dalvy I get some water throw in the pot. Put him some water in the pot and I'm on my side. Yeah. So I add some water in the pot and now get the ball game going. Put in some more water in the guys. Yeah people, we're adding some salt in the pot and now so you know so the pot will boil up faster than now. Yeah man. People, so when you put in salt in a pot, you know so you make pot boil up faster. So we are getting cover here now.
Yeah, on the river side. When you want to come on the river, you can just link with up same way. Best cool running water on the Portland side. You see?
Yeah, peeps, and check in and so I go on. People, so we got on the menu here today. Got some flour, cornmeal, got the scallion with thyme there, so saltfish, pepper, carrot the same way. We have garlic, nice tomato, sweet pepper, onion. You know where I go. But people, how if you forget about the banana them? We are using the banana them for banana dumpling. My God, people. Yeah, people, so Dalvia get the banana them peel, greater them for banana dumpling. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, people, Dalvia get the banana them peel, you know. Yeah. Come on, peeps. So she just have a peel one more. Get them greater and thing. Man, everything active in my side. Yeah, people, so they are on the beautiful riverside. One wall of vibes, whole team there. Yeah, fire catch up on the smoker. Out from that side, eh? Dalvia there is the same way. Peel the banana them. Yeah, people, so Dalvia get the banana them great here now. Banana dumpling in the people. Yeah, man, you stay tuned and watch how I go on. Thing active, man. Yeah, peeps, that's where I get the banana them greater. So we just have all the vibes same way. So we just stay tuned and watch how I go on. Legend over there, so all the ferment same way. Yeah, man. I'm going to be with Chef today, you know, people. So make sure you like up the video, subscribe to the channel, comment, yeah, active and be a thing. I look up more the boy you see me, you know. While I got a boy over there, so I will mix on the react up over there, so I know in there, so I laugh. But look at me. People who like up the video, I beg you please, and subscribe. Cause that boy, yeah. People, so let's get him on wash. You need the flour. Yeah, banana dumpling. Yeah, man, everything active in the people. Just stay tuned and watch what I go on. Forward on a journey with us. So legend I get the thing them choke the cornmeal, the flour, get to mix in with the banana. Yeah, man, peep. So just watch what I go on. Just watch the process. Get the cornmeal choke in the people. Yeah, guys, so now I use too much cornmeal. I got the banana there, so same way. People, so legend I get in the flour here, so same way. Yeah, man. Get in the flour and go mix him in and now. Yeah, peeps. Active, man. Peeps, Dalvia come across. And now if you carry the water if you need the flour. Yeah, man. Peeps, so I get in some salt. Need in the flour. And just watch what I go on. I active. From the view on my side. Yeah. Yeah, people, so legend I get in the water and the flour. I mix him in, you know. Yeah, man. That video alongside him same way. I help him out. Come on, people, just watch what go on, man. It's a beautiful day, people. Give thanks everybody watching this video. All I want to big up myself. Them man, just stay tuned for more great content, you see me?
The banana is going to go. So many are doing buggers.
Yeah, people, legend, I get the flour needing, you know. Yeah, peeps, college and run cross the flour. I'm hoping you dash me flour them in the people, cause right now, flour me say. Yeah, people, see I'll edit and find cocoa up on the riverside.
Hard go for that, you know. I want alone and find.
One single cocoa the dancing find on the riverside of people. Put him in a pot same way. So Eddie I get a crook for you so we can use and lift off the pot cover so easier for you. You see me, people. Take a little walk on the river here so and show you what go on. Showing the beauty of the river. Yeah, my side. Just watch what go on, man. Yeah, peeps. Water clean. Yeah. Nice river my side, man. What you say? Nice river. Clean and thing. Just watch the process, man. Yeah, peeps, so let's check in on the pot now and get in the flour. Get in with one cocoa same way. Yeah, guys. So they must step in a pattern now. People who see that, make sure so you don't cut my flour them, you know. Because I know no. Can't cut my flour them. Yeah, man, peeps, they get in the flour them, you know. Yeah. Banana dumpling active in my side. Yes, man. The peeps, fire active on the pot there. The general go and get in the rest of dumpling them in the pot. Yeah, man. Yeah, peeps. And the last one that, you know.
Get back my pot. Cover back my pot and let them go and cook. So the back of them.
Cover back the pot then now, peeps. So we link on when time I do the next thing, or when the pot cook. Yeah, man. So, Legend Venture said them I go all a race, who reach up on the stone top first. So me I go set them off here now. Mark, set, go! Any man reach first, celebrate. Celebrate, any man reach first. Yeah, peeps, it look like a legend reach first.
Man, things are fresh there. They're gonna die, sir.
Yeah, peeps, the part I want here kinda shallow, you know. Boy, Legend give himself trouble, people. Now watch him, you know. Be a trouble them when I give him. If he try, they can't cross the water. Legend wet him up. Yeah, people, so Legend and Venture go for your next second race now. Mark, set, go! People, man, they all wet me up.
Yeah, people. That'll be a check-in for the pot. Flour boil.
Yeah, peeps, so Legend get some water for wash off natural seas them. Yeah, man, we get them clean up, you know. Plate a wash it from you. So Legend I get the thing them clean up, you know. Tomato, the carrot, the scallion, everything. Sweet pepper is the same way. Peeps, so Legend I get the natural seeds them cut up. Yeah, man. I deal with the sweet pepper first and just stay tuned and watch how I go on. Yeah. Yeah, peeps. Legend I go get the scallion them cut up and now. Done cut up some of my thing them already. Yeah, man, just stay tuned and just watch how I go and make sure you like the video, subscribe, comment, and you can share it to your family, your friend, anybody. Just share the video, please, peeps. Yeah, peeps, the Legend there. We say him now go cut up the carrot them today. I'm go thread them. Yeah, man, just stay tuned and watch how I go on, peeps. Yeah, man. Thing active in my side. Yeah, peeps, so Legend I got thread the last carrot you know. We down back over the base where the pot a cook. Show you what I go on. Peeps, so I go on now with the natural season. Yeah, man. Well, pretty and nice. Thing active. Legend and Dalvia get the pot off fire. People never see this style yet. Boy. People no comment and tell me if you never see that yet.
When you're not on towel, that's how we get to work, man. Do things. We are going to do it now.
People just check in back. Anytime when we get the saltfish on the fire for go and boil, you can go and get off some of the salt off of the saltfish. So just stay tuned and watch what going on. Yeah, peeps, so Vinci, I get in some water in a pot, get in the saltfish, make him go and boil off some of the salt. That'll be I go set him on the fire, so now.
Fire red, up red. Come in the pot cover.
A legend do that to my guys.
Get people, so we get the pot cover. The pot go and boil up liquor first, then we add in the saltfish. Get off some of the salt off the same way. I don't want it too salty, you know. So people, so when you're hungry and can't wait for the food no longer, you just go take a 5 and ease. Boss, I take a 5 people, third for you on the pot. Boss, I ease and I take a 5.
Oh, the flour then done cookie pot a blaze up. You ever see pot blaze it? Oh, show them how go.
People, this is a sign. On the floor then done cookie fire blaze so. Yeah, peeps, so legend I go get in the saltfish now. Cause one boil him off so some of the salt can get off of him same way. Get in the saltfish.
Bubble pot a bubble.
Yeah man, just check in and see what go on. Yeah peeps, so legend I go get off the saltfish pot off high fire now. Yeah peeps, see what go on here? Yeah man. Yeah peeps, so legend I go clean up the saltfish now. Get out some of the scale. Try get out some of the bone them out tight same way. People, so legend broke them up in small pieces. Yeah. Hey peeps, we never have no oil at all on the base, because we forgot, you know. But boy, Vinci come up with a brilliant idea because we got butter on the base same way. So Vinci just come up and say, just use the butter, man. And that's we go on the peeps. Yeah man. Vinci and him brilliant thinking. I'm gonna big him up on the channel. Because like, legend a mince up his saltfish. It take about 5 years. He just did it so. My God. Vinci get on the pot. Give him a plus for that. +1 for that. Brilliant thinking there when him have in a brain box. Vinci set on the pot. Fire active. Set him straight, them up done. People, we are teaching him now, young soldier. Why I set on the pot. Set him straight. Vinci set him straight in a peeps. Yeah, peeps, a legend I get in the butter.
Not too much in a piece.
Not too much because you don't know, say, them things ain't really good for you. But we are getting a little piece. Keep the ball game going. Yeah, people now watch my voice, you know, cause I smoke and mash me up. Yeah, people, so legend get in natural season them you know. Them go and fry up and thing. So you don't know. Yeah man, thing active man. You can get in the natural season them you know. Eventually they so same eventually anyway pot eventually they. Yeah man. You can give few star. So everything active. Cover and make it go and steam out little. The peeps so we try to get the pot cover, make it go and steam out little. So I'm gonna check in back when we are adding in the saltfish. Peeps, look what gone. Well beautiful. Yeah. E. coli in a pot look there.
Have you ever seen it? Only over here.
Yeah, and just stay tuned. Watch what go on. We so put in our saltfish. Yeah. Peeps, so let's go get in the saltfish. I'm gonna get off the cover first. Put in our saltfish. Yeah, man. Yeah, peeps, and watch there. I give it 2 stirring up people. Get everything mixed in. Add in little water and so on. The peeps are legend I get in little water.
Back when it's a pot up now.
Yeah, peeps, so now check in back. Pot come off by fire. Check in. I get off the pot now. With the saltfish. Yeah.
Active.
If you off, but then so I go on the pot now. Yeah, peeps, look at that.
Straight in.
Yeah, man. Yeah, peeps, so that way I get the food them share out and now. Yeah, man. The peeps, so share it, that way I get extra food them share it and now. Yeah, peeps, see, Dana step in now, because film food I get share now, you know, man.
One genocide, man.
Boss, take a 5 and check in. Don't know say thing mad.
I'm going to see it. I'm sure to turn on food this. Yo, drink dry. The chef body here, people, so you can check him out, you know, people. You can give him a booking, so here, every time. Food nice.
Yeah. Yeah, peeps, so Vin try I go check in for film food and now and tell you know how I go on. How you go right?
Good active people. If you know I eat nice food, enjoy beautiful river. Just check in on the channel, link to up, and we bring you them beautiful spot of people. Food active. Almost don't need one dumpling already.
Yeah, peeps, so that we say food wicked. Big up the chef again, same way. Yeah, peeps, so the chef a check in on film food and now.
On a night, I'm going to try this at home. Active.
Yeah, man, peeps, food looking, man. Yeah, nice.
We have come to the end of the video, peeps. So right about now, just wash the pot. And score off back the pot and thing. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel. No thing come down. Enough respect for watch the video until the end. Yeah, that is it.
If you don't watch the video to the end, comment big things.
Alright, hear that? Big things! Yeah man, we clean up the pot. Shiny down on big things, you know? Big things. Yes, Eddie, my big what?
Pot washer.
My big pot washer.
Pot shine over boss.
Yes, Eddie.
Big pot washer on the pot shine like in face.
No soap. Yeah.
I pot them wash shine and can just link you up serious.
I don't know if we have enough money though. Yeah. Yeah man, shiny down, you know?
Yeah.
Pot for clean and active for your next video again, you know what I mean? Yeah. Active out.
I use spade.
I use a spade.
People, no press like the video guys.
That is it. One bin try.
Make sure you watch the video to the end. Else me a fine, you know.
Alright.
And subscribe.
Alright.
And like the video too.
Alright.
And share to all heap of people.
Active.
You just subscribe to the channel, man. For us, the channel, I know where you're going, man.
That is it. Yeah. Yeah, peeps, so we out. Yes, peeps, so that's it for now until another another tutorial. Why tutorial I made, man? Until next time, just big up on yourself.
Active and big things.
See the peeps? Clean. Active back again. Yeah.
Every time bright people normal when you say you come out and work at night.
Time bright. Vinci I try a thing over here, so a pot never dirt, you know, so it take a little bit of washing, you know. This is how you do it. No soap.
Everybody watching the video, on the comment active and big things right now. Since we make it to the end of the video. This is now the end. Peeps, so day has come to an end. I go back here now. So everybody watch this video, reach so far in the video. Make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe. You make your family watch the video, your friend, everybody. Since you reach so far in the video, you comment active and big things. Yeah, man.
Hey, let's live off a riverside.
You know. Big things and now we go.
I pay me a go last night. Go last your friend. guava them up on the tree. I check out them guava, yeah?
Can I do that, yes? So I'm go picky. That'll be some play and see what go on. Guava look big too, you know? Yeah, piece so that'll be a good sample.
Legend say so, I know. Me have to see it too. So your fruit. This sweet with salt. Can't go no more.